Hi yoga buddies! Welcome back to Yoga with Jade and Mel. Today we're going to stretch our bodies and have lots of fun together. If you like yoga, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Standing tall, feet grounded, arms by sides, chest open, confident, calm stance. Stand tall. Bring hands to hips or raise them gently upward. Arch slightly back while keeping neck comfortable. Feet together or hip width, knees bent like sitting in an invisible chair, arms lifted overhead, long spine. From chair pose, twist your torso and bring opposite elbow to knee. Keep knees aligned. Alternate between left and right. Stand with legs wide. Reach one hand down to the shin while the other arm extends straight up, chest open to the side. Alternate sides, left and right. Sit tall, cross one leg over the other, twist gently toward the top leg while placing one hand behind the back and the other on the knee. Alternate sides, left and right. From the seated position, reach your right arm overhead and lean to the left, feeling a stretch along your side. Switch sides.
From all fours, walk the hands forward and melt the chest down while keeping hips stacked over knees, forehead or chin on mat. Lie on your belly with hands under shoulders. Gently lift your chest while keeping elbows close to the body, shoulders relaxed. From plank, bend your elbows close to your ribs, keeping your body straight and strong like a long line. Lie on your belly with arms stretched forward. Gently lift your arms, chest, and legs off the mat, keeping your neck neutral and gaze down. Your body forms a long, strong line as you fly like a superhero. Hold the pose with steady breathing. Lie on back with legs wide apart and arms open overhead in a star-like shape. Now let's take a cozy pause. Sit comfortably and breathe slowly with me for 30 seconds. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Feel your body calm and happy. Amazing job, yoga buddies! You stretched, moved, and did your very best today. If you enjoyed this fun yoga time, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. See you next time on Yoga with Jade and Mel. Namaste.